my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a bit different because it's not going to be a hair or makeup related video, and you guys know I kind of love stepping out of the comfort zone and doing new things. So today I'm going to be trying the Instagram magic bra. You guys read the title, you guys know what's about to happen right now. Now I've been seeing this going around on Instagram for the longest while. As usual, I'm late to the party, but I do want to know if it actually works. Now I did see a couple of them like all over the place, even locally I did see some. But today I'm going to be reviewing one from a company called LUMINOUS, and it's basically an online store, and they do have the magic bras for only $12, okay? So it is affordable, I give you guys that, but let me see if it actually works. I'm gonna just try it on. Of course I won't show you guys me trying it on, but let me just show you guys what the bra looks like. So these are the bras that I'm talking about. You guys must have seen them all over the internet, especially last year. But you know, they just look like this, and it does have like a lace strap in the middle, and this is what you use to adjust how tight or how full you want your boobs to look. That's what it promises. On the inside it has like sticky stuff. Here, this is what holds your boobs, because as you guys can see, it doesn't have straps or anything like that. The only thing strappy that it does have is the part in the middle that you use to adjust how high or how low you want your boobs to be. I got two sizes. I got the size B and I got the size A, and I wasn't really sure which one would fit because I don't have big boobs, as you guys can see. Right now I'm not wearing any bra or anything, but I don't have big boobs, but they're not very tiny, but they're not big, okay? They're like somewhere in between. So I'm gonna try the size B. Let me just take this plastic off. This sticky stuff is really sticky. I guess they want to make sure that it doesn't fall off. So, alright, so this is what the inside looks like, right? The inside just looks like this. And this part right here is where you aim your nipple, this circle right here. So the sticky stuff is just going to be all over your boob. So I'm gonna try it and come back. Let me just show you guys a before shot. This is my chest with nothing on. I have no bra on. I'm just bare chest right now, just me. And I'm wearing like a romper, so it's pretty loose. I don't have anything tucking anything up, so I just want to show you guys before what it looks like. I might zoom you guys in so you can see, and I will be doing a side-by-side comparison, okay? So now I'm about to put the bra on and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I do have the bra on now. This is how it looks after the straps have been adjusted. I feel like my boobs are doing this. So I guess that's the purpose. The way it's shaped is perfect because it does have this part here that comes up further, you know, so that it cups your boobs perfectly. And this sticky stuff, like I had the bra on and then I took it off and put it back on to position it properly, and it was still very sticky. So I don't really know what that is, but it did a pretty good job. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but I definitely see the difference, especially from here. I can definitely see the difference with having the bra on. My boobs are more lifted. It's not squeezing the crap out of me like most of my bras do. This fabric, I love it. It's very plush and it is quilted, so it's like it gives you like that extra something. But I mean, for other persons I've seen it do more work. I don't know, maybe I didn't put it on like right, but I definitely see where it gives my boobs lift, just not enough like I thought it would. Maybe it's because I didn't get the right size. Maybe I should have tried the size A instead of the size B, but I am a B cup, so I don't know. You can still rock it for 12 bucks. For 12 bucks it's fine. And it is a special occasion bra, guys. It's not like, oh, I want a bra, I'm gonna put this on. No, it's for when you have your altar back dresses, or if you have anything that is like sweetheart neckline or anything like that, that you don't want to have bra straps exposed on the shoulders and on the back. That's what these are for. So they're very special occasion bras, okay? So yeah, for that instance, I see where, you know, it's perfect. Word of advice, when you guys have finished using the bra, be sure to keep these little plastic thingies, because you're gonna need them to kind of preserve the sticky part of the bra, like after you wash it and so on. I'm assuming you can wash it and it won't be a problem, but just keep these to preserve the sticky part so that when you put it on your skin it sticks and stays. So there you have it, guys. Does it really work? Yes, it does. It's definitely a special occasion kind of bra. So I'm gonna have the link for the bra down below in the description bar, and the link over to the company, all their social media sites and everything like that. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have ever tried this bra, let me know in the comments down below and let me know what you guys think about it as well. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.